हाय फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी लोग कैसे हैं? बढ़िया है ना? मैं हूँ आशा सोमनाथ, बैंगलोर से। आज वेलकम टू FB पेज लाइव and this is Asha Somanath and I am very much passionate towards cooking and my profession is teaching. I completed more than 250 shows in all the channels of Karnataka. Now I am doing Amul shows and I am very much grateful to Amul team for giving me an opportunity to take part in their team and I am very happy to be a part of Amul. आज मैं बनाऊंगी एक डिफरेंट तरीका का सर्दियों का चीज। अभी मटर का सीजन चलती है, सो मैं बनाऊंगी मटर की खीर, ग्रीन पीस की खीर। एंड सब लोग जानते हैं मटर इज बहुत न्यूट्रिशियस एंड हेल्दी and it contains lot of minerals, vitamins, proteins and it is combined with milk. Milk is also, you all know, it's containing it is present in all the vitamins and it contains lot of calcium. So let us go with the seasonal vegetable. Please try this recipe. बनाने का बहुत आसान है, बहुत खाने का बहुत लाजवाब है and it is done with घर का अवेलेबल इंग्रेडिएंट्स, वेरी सिंपल इंग्रेडिएंट्स के साथ मैं बनाऊंगी, बट इट इज वेरी टेस्टी। मटर बच्चों से बूढ़ों तक सभी लोग पसंद करती है। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट द रेसिपी। कम ऑन फ्रेंड्स, लेट अस सी व्हाट आर द इंग्रेडिएंट्स आज डिश बनाने को होना है। प्लीज आगे तिरको। So first of all, we want matar. Matar is the jam of this dish and shakar. It is accordingly to आपका स्वाद के अनुसार and काजू, थोड़ा बादाम, थोड़ा हरी इलायची. So simple ingredients and आज मैं I have taken अमूल का मिल्क है, बहुत very tasty and very healthy है. And I'm taking अमूल का घी आज डिश बनाने को. Let us start the recipe. First of all, we have to grind this matar. Not very fine paste. दरदरा पीसना है. We should not add any water. थोड़ा दरदरा पीसना है. Not very fine paste. Without adding water, we have to grind. पल्स मोड से ग्राइंड करना है, पल्स मोड इसी तरह. Not very fine paste. दरदरा ऐसा दरदरा पीसना है. एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट अस कीप द मिल्क फॉर बॉइलिंग. आई एम कीपिंग द मिल्क फॉर बॉइलिंग. बनाना का बहुत सिंपल है. सिंपल इंग्रेडिएंट के साथ हम बनाती हूँ. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम कीपिंग द मिल्क टू बॉइल. वी वांट टू बॉइल मीडियम फ्लेम से सीखती हूँ. एंड आई एम स्विचिंग ऑन द गैस and keeping on kadai and I'm adding थोड़ा अमूल का घी. First of all, I'll fry this kaju, and we want this to be light golden color. I'm frying this kaju and badam. We want light golden color. Just I'll keep this side, friends. We want this light golden color. आपका मनपसंद को ड्राई फ्रूट सब डाल सकती हूँ. एक बार बनाकर देखो फ्रेंड्स, हम बार बार बनाते हैं. खाने का बहुत लाजवाब है एंड बहुत हेल्दी भी होती है रेसिपी, एंड वेरी वेरी मच सिंपल इंग्रेडिएंट्स. एंड switching off, and I am removing this kaju. ये घी के साथ में ये पीसी हुआ मटर. We have to fry this. I'm frying this in low flame. You should not leave our hand, लेकिन चिपकती है बॉटम से. कच्चापन should go, raw smell should go. Still more is there. Morning I just sometimes Bangalore there will be lack of current, so I have made it ready. That also I will add. थोड़ा घी डालती हूँ, थोड़ा घी होना है. So this is अमूल का घी. मीडियम फ्लेम से लो फ्लेम से मीडियम तक सेकना है. That raw smell should go. Till that we should fry. We should not leave our hand, or else this will go and stick to the bottom. We should fry until this raw smell should go. I'll friend this side, friends. I'll shift this side because I feel this is comfortable. We have kept here milk for boiling. थोड़ा लोग कच्चा दूध आगे, but it takes 5 to 7 minutes. But till that we should keep on frying. थोड़ा हिलाना जरूर है. Without leaving our hand, we should fry this. This should be fried in a low flame, or else this will be burnt and the color will be black, color will change. So we don't want the color to be changed, and this should be cooked also. Now my kitchen is getting little bit aroma. This kheer will be very nice, very yummy, and very tasty, very easy also. And सभी घर में all these ingredients will be available, मिलती है. So whenever you feel like doing, you can do this. And this is the fresh matter. now मटर का सीजन चल रही है, so you can do this. Always we should use seasonal fruits and seasonal vegetables. We can do different types, and it's healthy also to use seasonal. This takes 5 to 7 minutes. This kacha fun should go, kacha smell. Okay. So our milk is also getting boiled. We have taken Amul ka milk and Amul ka ghee. And Amul ka ghee is very nice. That too, it's a cow's milk. It gives a more taste. And Amul ka fresh milk also we have taken. So matar is also very nutritious, and milk is also very nutritious. Only thing is sharkar. If you want, you can avoid, or you can do, or you can add good. So our milk is also almost getting boiled. This is almost coming to an end. And it's almost little bit cooked. And we have to add boiling milk. Some people will add raw milk, but I think if you add boiled milk, it's good. Our milk is also getting एक उबाल आया. This is half liter milk, 500 grams. So I'm adding this hot milk. So we need this to be cooked, and it should be mixed with the milk. दोनों चीज mix होना जरूरी है. It will be get mixed with the milk, and it gives a most beautiful flavor. And now I am adding this हरा इलायची. This is according to you. स्वाद के अनुसार आप डाल सकती हो. You can add like this without this thing. कूटना नहीं चाहिए. You can add like this. छिलके के साथ आप ऐड कर सकती हो. If you don't want, you can avoid the छिलके and you can put it for tea powder. I am adding 3 इलायची, 3 हरा इलायची. It's a Indian traditional touch इलायची. So हमको थोड़ा गाढ़ा होना चाहिए. We should go on mixing like this. देखो फ्रेंड्स, अमूल का मिल्क बहुत कितना अच्छा है, कितना गाढ़ा है. सुनाएगा ना. Now I am mixing it with high flame only. Keep on mixing. It should be get cooked with milk. It will mix and gives a beautiful flavor and beautiful taste. थोड़ा कच्चापन जाना है हमको. Already when we have fried, that raw smell will go, but still if you go on mixing, it will get well mixed with the milk. We have not added any flavor, any chemical flavors, nothing we have added. It's all natural organic things. Now adding, this is around 4 to 5 spoons of sugar, tablespoon not teaspoon. If you want you can add, increase or decrease according to you. आपका स्वाद का अनुसार आप डाल सकते हो. I have added, थोड़ा कम है. But after getting cooled, it will be very thick. But this is a live show, we are showing it directly. This will not become very thick. Only after 1 hour or half an hour, it will be very thick, or it will be gada. If you keep in refrigerator, still more gada. But if you want to drink it cool, you should keep in refrigerator, and after room temperature के बाद you can keep it in temperature. बहुत टेस्टी है. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. Now I am adding this dry fruits. देखो friends, this is a mixture of kaju and badam. It's a healthy recipe also, except sugar. शुगर आपको होना चाहिए आप डालो, लेकिन आपको गुड़ होना है आप डाल सकती हो, आपको खजूर होना है आप डाल सकती हो इंस्टेड ऑफ शुगर. But both healthy recipe. Butter and milk both are healthy. That too we have taken Amul's milk and Amul ghee. Still, ghee is also very much healthy. It's almost over, friends. हमारा खीर तैयार है. बट ये ठंडा होने के बाद बहुत अच्छी होती है पीने को. फिर गाढ़ा होती है, ठंडा होने के बाद गाढ़ा होती है. As this is a live show, this will be like this. So, हमारा खीर is ready. And I am plating this, dishing it out. After 1 hour or 2 hours, it will be very nice. It will be nice to eat also. It will be in that consistency. Now this is in drinking consistency. कितना बढ़िया है देखो फ्रेंड्स. हमारा ग्रीन पीस का मटर की खीर कितना कलरफुल है, मुंह में पानी आती है. देखो फ्रेंड्स, it was finished within a no time, within a few minutes. So if everything is available, you can prepare at home. Please try this recipe. Thank you for watching my session, friends, and thank you Amul team for giving me an opportunity, and thank you Deepa ma'am also. Namaskar.